Okay. 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 It's so cute.
Look up here.
Oh, don't take it off.
We'll take this home. Judging us. You know, you can't beat that price. It's an actual chamois.
Candles?
Wait. Well, this is for cleanup.
Right now?
Yeah, there's a sign on both sides. What the heck are we doing? All backpacks must go out. What's today? Friday. Black Horse St. Cross. I wonder if we spent. No, there's no way. I was gonna say, I wonder if we spent what we would have going out, but there's no way.
No parties.
No parties or events.
No parties.
Please do not take baths. What the? So, you want to see what we got in here?
Yeah, show me what you got. Ooh, looks like a mess.
Yeah. Fish and rods. Salsa. BOGO items, mainly.
So excited.
Yep.
Where are you taking me now?
A river?
A river? And then where are we going after the river?
I think a roadside, like overlook
A roadside overlook?
of the water. Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. Stay off of it, man.
It's not making sense.
Don't move, don't move. It's so cute.
It went to 15.
Miriam. Miriam. Right here. Okay.
I don't think you can see them. Okay, you said there's a crab over here? Yeah, there's little...
They're just everywhere.
There's,
I see it. I see it. It's right there.
yeah, there's little crab holes everywhere.
I see it. Just go deeper. No, like the sand and the trees. Oh,
Where? These bird tracks?
yeah. Look at it.
I think we smushed most of the bird tracks at this point. I mean, I am zooming in. They look like a bunch of little white spiders.
Look at them. Oh, where's mommy? They're not mean. There's some over here. I can grab one.
Wow. So interesting.
I can grab one. I don't think they're mean at all. I think they're just nice little creatures wanting to have a
Guys, oh my goodness. Spoonbill birds.
They're pink.
That's what they're called. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think they're called roseate spoonbills. Okay, we're going to see how close we can get. They're not flamingos. Oh, this is really gross. Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, buddy. We'll make a little line and everything.
Miriam, is that so yummy?
A shell? A pretty shell? Yeah, it was short. That tree has a bunch of
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, no candle.
A little gnome door.
I was trying to look for the house.
I'm gonna make a whole fairy garden.
You asked for some of it.
Ice?
A little bee house and a windmill.
She's been eating ice since last night. I don't know.
Maybe that means she needs iron. Isn't what that's
There's
supposed
one
to
more thing
be?
that's
A card?
perfect for it.
Well, you took my bag away.
It takes a while to melt.
Hey, Miriam.
Yeah. You're gonna swallow it, and then you're gonna be like,
Little kid gnome.
and then I'm gonna have to do the Heimlich.
Right. I was gonna say no.
Look at mommy.
Pruner of their hearts. I love you in our garden.
Oh.
Half away. The present.
No, I see the crabs. Mama, I see the crabs.
You want to see what, Jack?
Open something
Crabs.
hollow.
The craps.
Just open it. Kind of.
Okay.
$500.
What is this for my flower garden? This isn't your $100, is it?
Dad, just put it in there. And I got you the seeds.
Flowers I want to buy.
No, they weren't expensive. They were at the dollar store.
She's talking about.
Mom, did you open this one?
I did. I opened it.
I think I know who it's from.
I know the handwriting.
Mom, Amanda. And what?
And yes.
Mom, what?
And Amanda doesn't underline.
Mom,
She already
She
saw
says, put it down, put it down.
You said Amanda does the underlining?
Yeah, did you underline one too?
No, Dad does that. Your dad.
Well, I don't remember the last time he picked out a card.
No,
Did you see
his
this?
dad.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah,
Did you draw that?
the wonder. No.
Waiting for the hangers. Now I can just go home and go. Megan. Brandon. Does that go? No. Show Brandon really quick. Those.
Brandon?
Yeah. Just since
Now I
he's
got
getting
the
a whole bag of clothing, does that go around her neck or around her waist? Which one do you think?
I'm right.
What?
It's cold.
You're trying to trick him.
What?
I heard her talk about putting hooks on the
Oh, God. Is this from you? Oh, now we're done.
Is this supposed to be Maggie? Yeah.
Poppy wrote it.
That's hers?
It's like this. It's like that.
Oh, that hard? Is it that hard?
No. No, just like this.
I didn't see it. I thought I heard about it. Yeah, there's like some place that did a whole documentary about how
Look, more bandanas.
Disney side, whatever.
I'm gonna be all. No, they're not.
And that's where it's like,
It's a different color set. It's the same company. The same company, but a different set of colors. Ooh, some green ones. I like green.
everything like that.
Put this on your
And
table.
then, when Walt Disney
Yeah, so it
died,
doesn't blow away.
split
Wow,
and
this is
they
big
turned
fast.
like princesses and like Ariel and all the
Claire, can you take care of that
where,
trash?
like evil kind of looks cool. Kind of
There's no
thing.
trash.
No, there's a trash right next to Poppy.
I'm like, yeah, all the older movies.
What are you?
That look good from the satellite. Yeah, I need put this foot in there first.
You're gonna have to just go for it. Yeah? I haven't been looking down, I've been looking out.
My shell collection.
Just make sure it's actually dead. You don't want to bring live shells home.
I've been trying to look for so many like that. I found one! Jack, could you see it? It's sticking. No, it's alive.
Pretty darn dead, I think. Show mommy.
Alive in a bed.
If there's a crab in it, that means it's alive.
Go.
Look at me. Only walk
Come here,
on the
look.
sand. Do not walk on the rocks here, okay?
Why?
Because hey, crabs, look ahead. They're all dancing, bro.
Yeah, they're all like going up and down. Look at them.
Do you see them?
Look at their claws. They're like waving.
You guys
Do you see all the? They're all waving.
You're like stepping on like every rock possible.
Yep. Look at that shell right there. There are so many cool shells.
Why don't you come walk in the water? There's no rocks.
It's huge. Ew, it's hard.
Heart?
Is that his heart or no?
Oh, it smells
It
gross.
smells horrible.
Yeah,
Davey,
it's
I
up to
always
you,
wanted
but
to get a sand dollar. Let's try to find more.
once you get up here, it's fine. But
Yeah. Let's keep moving.
I always
Yeah.
wanted to find a sand dollar. Like the
Yeah, these rocks are nice and smooth.
Let's find a sand dollar.
what'd you say?
He asked, "Are these rocks okay?"
Yes,
Yeah, these are
rocks
smooth.
okay.
I feel like I'm Moana.
You feel like you're Moana?
It smells warm. Mommy?
Look, see the mussel in there?
Yeah.
The little.
Over here.
Oh, there's still pokey rocks down here.
Yeah.
And my feet getting soggy are making them really sensitive.
Big, look how big that shell is. Did you find one? Yeah, it's not the one I love, but it's so pretty. Look. And look how big it is. I'm trying to find dead fish.
You're trying to find dead fish? Oh, you smell it? Hey, whenever we get back, we need to put your swim shirt on, Jack.
Right there.
Can I see it, Claire?
Some of the information I could.
Can you remind me to get it? No. I'm gonna put it right here. Don't touch it, Jack.
Oh no. Oh no. Careful, Adrian. Let's stay by the sand. Let's go to the sand. In the water. Are you having fun treasure hunting?
There's a live horseshoe crab. There's the high pitch.
I think that's one under. It's still alive. Probably dead under it.
It looks very dead.
I mean, it's still now we're freaking it out, but yeah.
You have to be lying.
No, we don't have to be a lion.
Is it literally?
Yeah.
There's two.
All the way up at the front.
Yeah, that's what we said.
No, you said there
On the
is.
sides. So he doesn't stab you. You want me to get it?
Look at this. It actually looks like it doesn't want to hurt anybody.
No, they're nice little guys.
Yeah. You can take it to church as a pet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's little pricklies on his tail.
Yeah,
So if you do step on that, it is gonna hurt.
Put it in the water, see what it does.
Hey, look.
Yeah, they'll spit off. Let's go.
Look.
Wait, Brandon, show Adrian.
Claire, do you want these?
Look. He's got a crab.
You want
Look
this?
at his legs. Oh, yes. Look at his legs.
If I remember right, their blood is blue, and I think it's used for either dye or medicine. I forget what it is. I would have to re-look it up.
Is it feisty?
Yeah. He's like. Wait, where's the crab?
Right here.
Right there? Adrian. I feel like I'm about to.
The water is so much colder with this current. Yeah, it's getting a little rough over there. Oh, yeah, it's pushing her. I got you. No worries. No worries. You got Mama.
Hey, puppy! I killed crab!
Might be alive.
What? Let me see. Show. Where?
Bye.
Hey,
What?
that's interesting. Can we stop by your hotel?
Yeah?
We're all leaving at the same time, jump in the pool.
I think.
Is that legal?
Well, whenever you book, it said not to have any parties.
Oh,
So I don't know how picky they're gonna be.
okay, that's fine. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said that Lindsay. She said Lindsay's really good, but Lindsay's really expensive.
She didn't use, like, I wish, like, I was back whenever, before she had other. Yeah, let's go over here.
Are they all anglers?
No. Each one is a different theme.
This is so cute. How much was it a night? That's not bad. That's pretty normal.
Yep, it's a hangout spot. See, they have a bunch of games right here. And then it looks like they have rocks for you to paint, but I don't see the paint.
Look up, candy.
Puzzles. No, I'm not buying you candy.
Mom.
A cute little porch. It'd be nice to sit here when it rains.
Mom. Oh, it's kind of cold.
Yeah, it's gonna feel nice.
Wait.
Oh, let me get my phone. Hold on. Hold on. I kid you not.
It's not. It's really not that hard.
Yeah. She said, mm-hmm.
You want me to talk to you during this? I told Caitlin I couldn't talk. I said if I talk, I said to
You're
Caitlin.
making her laugh. No.
I know. Oh, I told Caitlin. Why are you stopping?
No.
You're like, you're making her laugh too much.
Megan, turn around.
I need a big one. What?
There you go.
One.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That one was a little longer. Are you okay? My turn. Mark.
2.
Let's go.
Okay, everyone stay still. Jack, lean back.
To the moon and back. I'm doing this so we can swim. I'm doing this so we can swim. Me too, this time. First, cha-ching. Now let's turn clear. Aren't those not blackberries, beauty berries?
Green berries.
Beauty berries. They're not purple yet.
This is a video.
Ew, look at their shoes. Look, they're foam. Are you? Get on, Miriam. Oh, it's hard for Miriam to get on. She's like, it's a waddling. Hiya. Get done, trying to get done. Get done.
And then all you gotta do. And it will, and you can stop it with a few too.
No.
Weirdness.
You can get toothbrushes even for only $2. And look, Dad, we almost got 2 at a time, but it got
Yeah, I
stuck.
paid for that one, by the way. It's just stuck there. See it? The
Yeah.
Musketeers? I paid for it.
Yeah,
Stuck there.
Daddy had to pay $4.
I saved hers, I rescued hers, but then mine stuck. Because she paid $2, it got stuck. I paid $2, mine got stuck.
Maybe they're just trying to on purpose swindle money. Okay. Keep going these things.
There's some more swings up there. Look at that little area. I really want to make a fireplace sometime. Like I really
Fine, go.
Come here.
We're not sitting on it?
Come here, Mir.
We are sitting on these.
Say hi.
Whoa.
Say hi.
Mama, remember you
You say
wanted
hi?
to get some of these again? We can get one that's like this, so we can have like a little bar. I was about to say, where are we going to hang it? Where?
There's water dripping on me.
But you push me. Oh, I got the foot. Hey! What have we caught? Mom, what have you caught? Ow! Dada!
You got a rock? Go show Mom with the rock.
Yay! Dada!
You go show Mom.
Thank you.
Dada!
Look, Jack found another swing.
I know, I was trying to tell you about that one. Hey! Miriam, come on the swing!
She just likes opening the doors.
What is that? Oh, yeah, I got some water dripping on me too. What is that for? That has a manatee on it?
Water.
Like to throw a hurricane in the water?
Miriam.
No thanks.
Yeah, I'm coming, buddy.
Miriam just needs to learn here. I'm trying to convince her.
Can we just buy an acre or two and make one of these ourselves?
Jack.
They're both yours.
They're
Both of yours.
They're both of ours.
Aww,
Oh, thank you.
So good. There's some that have little keychains on them.
Maybe you're allowed to keep one. Look at this picture.
That's so pretty. Mama, we just saw those yesterday. What is it called again?
Roseate spoonbills.
This is what I think is interesting. Wow, those are
Ooh, is that a gator or is that a log?
where?
To the right. I think it might be a log.
Where? I don't see anything. Where?
Over there.
Right there?
Yeah. It's a log. It's a log.
I see something like a dead fish over there, though.
Yeah.
Poor fishy. I want to jump in the water. You play here. Oh, no, be careful. I can only go down there. Yes. I'm good. Mama, Dodo!
Hmm?
Dodo!
Oh, a lizard?
Puppy. Another trail. Uh-oh, that's kind of happening.
Miriam, come this way. Yeah, water's right here.
This is like the perfect spot to clean it down in the water.
Yeah, it's cleaner than I expected.
Look at this little cactus. It's acting crazy.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
Like, I want to get my... Can I, like, drive to get my swimsuit? It actually looks pretty good. Like, we could just splash and play.
Say hi.
And if you
bring hi.
and Mom, if you... Hi. Mom, if you bring...